All right, Porsche number 2. Got some minor curb rash right there, and then some pretty major curb rash over here on the left side of the wheel, upper left corner, and then just a little bit more down here. This I can just sand out. This I'm going to have to use probably the 50 grit disc on the grinder, but I'm going to get set up on this one. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and I will start working on this in just a second. I'm going to start in the upper left corner here, because that's the only spot I'm using this 50 grit disc. Alright, now I'm going to switch over to the red disc, and we'll clean that up in the other curb rash area. I'm just going to go ahead and hit this with the red disc too real quick. We'll go ahead and clean all that up with the 320 grit sander. We'll go over all that with the 1500 grit scuff pad. That just gives our paint a little better surface to stick to, and the paint will fill in those 1500 grit scratches. And again, this is the Sonic Silver paint. It is listed in the description below, along with all the other paints that I use. And then we'll cover all that with the clear coat. Move on to the next wheel. Little overspray on the tire right there, but they're going to detail this car tomorrow probably, so that'll come right off. But that's it on this one.